Hello mga motorista! Welcome to another episode of Motorista Adventures. For this video, we have here the Toyota Hilux Conquest 2024 and the Toyota Hilux G 2024. Now, both of them looks very similar if not the same talaga sa harap. But there are some upgrades if you go for the more expensive Toyota Hilux Conquest than the G model. So ano nga ba yung difference na yon? Pag-uusapan natin in this video. Simulan natin sa pricing ng dalawang to. Si Toyota Hilux Conquest is priced at 1,689,000. And itong Hilux G natin is only priced at 1,460,000. Both of them are the automatic models, 4x2. Parehas lang sila ng engine. 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine, turbocharged diesel ni Toyota. So, yung price nilang dalawa, no, 227,000 yung difference. So, ano nga ba yung makukuha mo sa 227,000 if you go for the Conquest model? Now, take note na itong color na to is a little bit more expensive than na non-emotional red kasi meron tong plus 20,000. So, take note of that. Bali, yung ginamit kong price is yung other colors niya na hindi yung parang add-on. Let's take a look at the front of both vehicles, no? It's very similar. Parehas lang talaga sila in the front, but if you go for the G model, yung headlight niya is quite different, no? Meron siyang mga accents na wala dito sa ating Conquest. So, mas dull yung ating accent dito sa ating Conquest. As you can see, for the G variant, no, chrome yung ating nagsasurround na ating LED headlights. Okay? Dito naman sa ating Conquest, this is more of a matte metallic finish, no, surrounding the headlights. But both of them gets bi-beam LED, LED turn signal lights, LED fog light. Now, basically, almost, if not really the same. Now, pati yung mga grill nila, identical yung grill. One advantage of the Conquest is meron siyang front parking sensor. So, it would be easier to park paharap than on the G because wala yung front camera. So, wala siyang 360-degree view camera. Ano lang siya, yung parang reverse camera lang siya. And wala siyang front sensors, no? So, take note of that. Another difference is yung ating Toyota logo. So, dito sa ating G model, you can see na it's just a plain logo, mga motorista, no? Chrome finish. But here sa ating Conquest model, it's a more of that glass, no, on the front. And then, meron tong radar sensor sa likuran ng logo natin. So, that's why it is quite different siya. So, both of them get skid plates at the front. Another difference between the G and the Conquest is the rims. But again, noon napaka-grabe yung difference when it comes to the rim kasi yung ating Hilux G is 17s, now it gets 18s and also unique rims. So ayan siya mga motorista, no? So quite a lot of upgrades when it comes to the exterior sa ating G. Dito naman sa ating Conquest, you cannot see it right now mga motorista, but it's basically the same, no, na rim. So tingnan na lang natin dito sa likuran. So ayan siya. So same rim as before, nothing changed. So plastic body claddings for both of these vehicles, parehas lang din. Ayan, kita nyo, 'di ba? Dito naman sa ating side mirrors, ayan, chrome versus matte. And then turn signal lights, the same. Wala tong camera sa ilalim, ito meron. Meron pa tayong paddle lamps also. So aside from the camera, paddle lamps is also here. Yung mga badge natin ng Hilux is still the same, chrome sila. When it comes to the door handles, chrome versus matte again. Meron tayong ornament na roof rail, wala tayo dito. Very simple lang. Wala tayong sports bar. Ito meron tayong sports bar. Okay? So, if you want a sports bar, nakasama na sa price, go with the Conquest. When it comes to rim and tire, mga motorista, parehas lang talaga sila. So, 18-inch rims for both. And you have a Bridgestone Dweller highway terrain na tire. So, one thing that is also different, it is very refreshing yung ating rims dito sa ating G in comparison to the Conquest kasi we've seen this kind of design sa kanyang rims, no, for a while na. So itong G, napakaganda in my opinion, very refreshing to the eye, and also a new design for the G model. So meron tayong Conquest na stickers, nothing changed. Meron tayong cargo lighting which is nice. And yeah, dito sa likuran kita natin yung difference also. So yung ating G model is chrome yung ating tailgate. na opener, and then dito naman sa ating Conquest meron siyang parang housing na kasama, and then parang matte siya na finish. Also, if you take a look at the sensors dun sa ilalim, 4 na sensors na si Conquest, 2 lang yung reverse sensors dito sa ating G. And moving on, another new thing with the 2024 Conquest is meron na siyang blind spot monitoring. So, wag mo itong apakan, may nakalagay, no? Kasi merong sensors dyan for the blind spot monitoring, and you can see that, no, dito sa ating side mirror. So, meron siyang icon, so nakakatulong yan lalo na paggabi kung merong sasakyan sa blind spot, you immediately see it. Aside from that, you have the badge with the V, ito G na badge, no, and then meron tayong Toyota na badging on both. LED taillights, LED brake lights, and also bulb type pa yung mga turn signal lights nilang doon. So mga motorista, ito yung susi ng ating mga Hilux. Now, for the G, simple lang, may nakalagay Hilux, but again, this is a big upgrade from the previous G na switchblade type. Now, yung ating Hilux Conquest, so meron siya nakalagay talaga dito na Hilux, pati na din yung ating Conquest, no, na sasakyan. Alright? And then also sa likod naman, basically the same. But meron pala silang difference, no. So meron tong panic button dito sa ating G, just simple lock and unlock, no? So itong button na to, no, maganda to kapag hinahanap mo yung Conquest mo sa parking lot. So mag-a-alarm siya. So ito just lock and unlock lang talaga. Once you open up the Hilux Conquest, definitely it's a more muted na upgrade, no, from the G. Okay, so you have this same panel lang to talaga. Different lang to na sa design ng brush look, no, dito sa ating trim piece. Leather yung armrest natin, and also here you can see glossy black yung material here with automatic one touch up and down lahat ng windows, just like the G. Parehas lang sila. Dito, bottle holders, speakers, 6 speakers in total. One thing that is missing here, no, for the, at least for the 4x2, I'm not so sure with the 4x4, is the availability of 6 airbags. So, tatlo pa din yung airbags ng ating Conquest 4x2. So you have airbag for the knee, driver, and passenger. Same with the G model. Now, the big upgrade here is the seats are now leather, unlike the G model na cloth lang yon. So ito, it's a more premium leather material seat, and of course it is now perforated, which is nice. Here, electronic seats for the driver, so height, recline, and slide are electronically controlled already with this toggle. And then here, and then also another difference, no, I think this is also the difference before, is yung tachometer natin na background. This is a more... So mga motorista, we are inside the interior sa ating Toyota Hilux Conquest 4x2 for this 2024 model year, and it's basically the same with some minor upgrades dito sa loob, no. So number 1 dyan is the presence of a leather seat for the Conquest models, no. 4x2, 4x4 Conquest, parehas lang. It's all black leather seats, perforated, and it is done nicely mga motorista. Simple lang yung design, nothing fancy. I really like the stitching here. So basically this will be a very durable na design, no, kasi perforated siya, hindi siya masyadong mainit. You have heat dissipation dito sa likuran and dito sa upuan mismo. Another change dito sa loob is yung infotainment system. This is the same as the GRS na yung infotainment system natin. So 9-inch display, wireless CarPlay, and wireless Android Auto siya. Okay? So that's quite nice, no, for the Conquest. And the one thing na hindi ko lang gusto sa head unit na to, it's a little more reflective than the previous one. And wala siyang volume knob, no. Yun lang mga gripes ko sa head unit na to. But other else, no, it's responsive, it is fast, no. So easy lang siyang easy lang siyang i-manipulate yung ating touchscreen. And also you can see here your apps. So you have wait, let's go back home. So what you have here is Bluetooth radio. I think this is for voice command. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, USB, vehicle information. So you have your trip consumption, past record, next service due, remaining range, all of those nice stuff. Phone also, and then you have still iPod here, picture, so you can display your photo instead of the stock background, and also meron siyang browser, Miracast, and of course yung setting natin. Okay, it's also it also has Wi-Fi capability, mga motorista. Right. So that is the head unit for the update sa ating Conquest 2024 model, one of the big ones, no. So dito sa ilalim, same lang to sa ating Hilux G, dual zone climate control. Dito meron ng traction control button off. Now, one thing na wala dito is yung wireless charger na meron sa GRS. Only the GRS has that wireless charger. Meron kang bottle holders here, and then eco and power mode, 6-speed automatic transmission, okay, plus minus, and meron siyang manual mode. Steering wheel is leather, quite nice yung ating steering wheel, same steering wheel, no, like before, and automatic headlights na din siya, and intermittent wipers. Now, leather din yung ating center console na armrest, and ito yung ating ito yung ating storage space underneath. Again, same pa din yung ating handbrake. It is the same handbrake as before. Kung bubuksan natin dito, you have air conditioned, no, dito sa ating top na storage area, and then another storage space dito. Okay, and then it is still lockable. Now, let's move on to the back of the Toyota Hilux Conquest. Now, for this year, for 2024, Toyota made it sure na mas komportable yung rear passengers. So, they added rear air vents na. Fortunately, the G, alam nyo naman sa previous video natin na wala pa din yung air vents. Now, itong Hilux natin already has one. That's really nice. So, another selling point yan sa ating Toyota Hilux Conquest in comparison to the Hilux G. In terms of advanced driver aids naman, si Hilux G is actually basic lang talaga siya, no? It doesn't have any advanced driver aids. While itong Toyota Hilux Conquest natin already has Toyota Safety Sense, autonomous emergency braking, lane departure alert, and adaptive cruise control. Aside from that, meron din tayong bagong feature which is the blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert, as well as the 360-degree view camera. Both of these pickup trucks is the latest offering from Toyota, mga motorista. And I think this is the best update, mga motorista, in terms of specifications from the Hilux G to the Hilux Conquest. Now, yung nagdagdag talaga sa Hilux Conquest natin is more on safety, advanced safety features, and of course, pati na din yung update sa ating infotainment system. So, nasa sa inyo na yun if that is worth 229,000, mga motorista, in comparison to the Hilux G. But in my opinion, I think the Hilux G is already quite good for the money. So, if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. And as always, mga motorista, do follow our Facebook page. Ina-upload ko din yung ating mga videos dito sa YouTube, dun sa ating Facebook page. And don't forget to like and subscribe kung hindi pa nakasubscribe dito sa ating YouTube channel. Maraming salamat, mga motorista, and I'll see you on the next episode.